Lace coming at you with another video, and today's video is all about my Boxycharm Premium box for the month of May. I just received it in the mail along with my Boxycharm box, along with my Ipsy Glam Plus box. I'm telling you, it was Christmas today in the mail for me. So yes, if you want to see what I got in my Boxycharm Premium for the month of May, just stay tuned. Welcome back, you guys. Yes, I'm super excited to be doing this video because I just opened my Boxycharm box and my Ipsy Glam Plus box. If you haven't seen that video, I'll have that link down below in the description box so you can check that out. But yes, I'm excited. My Boxy Premium is here. But yes, if you do not know what Boxy Premium is, Boxy Premium, of course, is a beauty subscription box. You pay $35 a month for 6 to 7 full-size products. 6 to 7 full-size products. And they usually value over, I think it's $200 something. I'm not entirely too sure. Don't quote me on that. I will double check. But it's usually, I believe so. It's usually a good box. I haven't been disappointed yet. So, let's get started. I went on and already cut her with my scissors because, you know, I'm bad with opening packages. And let's, voila. Ooh, it's blue. Pretty. So yes, this says Boxycharm Premium and items. So let's get started. So I do not see a stock card in here, so I don't know the prices. Oh my gosh, what is going on? That's the first time that's happened in my premium, so I have to research these items and I'll let you know how much this box valued for $35, okay? But yes, first up we're gonna open is this is by Pureheals by Nature Village Centalla 90 Ampoule. If I'm saying that right. So this is the front of the box. This is what's in here. It looks like it may be an oil or something. I'm not sure. It says how to use. After cleansing, even out skin tone with a toner and apply a moderate amount of the product onto the face. Gently pat for better absorption. So it says Soothing Ampoule, which contains Centalla Lace. I'm not sure. I'm messing that word up. Extract. It relieves irritation of sensitive skin and strengthens the skin's barrier. Okay, because I've never heard of this, to be honest with you. Like, never heard of this. So, okay. It says that this is a mystical plant that firms the skin from inside and leaves smooth complexion by improving the skin's natural functions. So, let's see. It's a little, ooh, and it looks like it's a jelly inside of there. So this is what she looks like. I want to give you guys a good view. I'm going to take the dropper out because I'm interested. It looks like a jelly, but I don't know. We're going to see. I'm going to drop it on my hand because I was doing some swatches for some other videos. Yeah, she is a jelly. You see how kind of slow she dropped? It's like a jelly, y'all. It's like a liquid jelly. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, that feels nice. Look at that. It's still like really slip and sleek. So I'm interested in trying this out. It says after you put on your toner. So I will try this out. Alright. So this is by Sugar Rush Tarte. So I'm thinking it's like a collab edition. It says Bust Bud Lip Butter Balm. And it's in Peony. So this is the shade it's in. And this is the packaging. It's really cute packaging. So let's open her up. And this is what she looks like. She's super, super cute. And I like it. So let's smell her. Ooh, she smells really, really good. She smells like cotton candy. But yeah, this is super cute. I'm going to give it to my daughter because I got some other stuff in my Ipsy Glam Plus bag for this month that I like a little better, but I'm gonna give this to my daughter. It's super cute. It'll look cute on her vanity. So next up, this is by Milk. So this is the little packaging, and it says it's a glow oil lip plush cheek. So this is for your lips and your cheeks. So that's interesting, and this is in glimmer. So let's open it up and see. So this is her, super cute. And I think I got one other thing for Milk that I haven't used yet, but yeah. Let's see, we're gonna open it up. Ooh, she pretty. Let's take off the little, So I actually got the top in there, y'all, but this is her. And I'm going to try it on this hand because I've been swatching some other stuff on the other hand. Ooh, and that is pretty. To be a blush, it's very light. It's shimmery. I could build it up some more, you guys. But that's cute. Especially just put on your cheeks a little hint and a little hint on your lips. So, yes, I think this is going to be something that I'm going to be using on the regular. Next up, this is by Kat Von D. It's an Inkwell liner, long wear matte eyeliner. And I don't have anything from Kat Von D. So that's kind of nice to see her products in here. Just saying. Ooh, and I love this packaging. Very different. It says you got to give it a shake, just like a little nail. It reminds me of the Louis Vuitton nail packaging type deal. But just the shape of it. So yeah, that's super cute. It says ink liner right there. Then on the back, it says shake it well. And let's just give her an open and see. Because, I mean, honey, this brush is giving me life. Ooh, and this is not a regular color liner. Y'all, look at that. This is a colored liner. Let's do that right here. Do y'all see that? That is cute. And this is definitely my color. Y'all know, if y'all watch my channel or be following me on Instagram, y'all know I wear like mauve colors like this because it's like a pinkish purple. It's a mauve. Super cute. Ooh. And I just love the packaging. I might have to pick up some more of these, like literally. And it dried matte so quickly. Oh my God. Super cute. Next up, this is by Skin & Co. Roma. It's the Truffle Therapy Restriction Truffle Eye Contour Concentrate. So, that's a lot. So, it's an eye concentrate. So, I do have some, a face gommage from them that I have not used, which I did get in my Boxycharm. I haven't used it yet. So, it's nice to get, this product right here so I can use them together. So it's an eye truffle therapy. What does the directions say? It says after you cleanse your face and using truffle therapy serum, use your ring finger and apply a generous amount of truffle therapy eye concentrate under eyes, extending upward towards temples and brow bone. Use twice daily. Recommended for all skin types. So it's basically like an eye cream. So let's just look at it. So, and it has this little cover on there. Yeah, it's an eye cream. It's full, y'all. Ooh. Okay. Don't want to waste no product. But yeah, she is full, so I can't tilt her. And I'm going to put this back on there because it's got quite a bit of product on there that I can use. So yeah, I'm excited to try that out. I definitely don't have the serum, so maybe I need to pick up some serum from Skin Co. because I would like to use their products together to see how it will work with my skin. So yeah, it'll be nice to kind of get, you know, I have the gommage, get some serum, and then I have the eye cream. That'll be nice. But yeah, this is really, really cute, and it came in a big ass box. Like, come on, like this was pointless. Look at that. Pointless, but okay. I thought it was going to be something way bigger. And last but not least, this is from Too Faced. It's the Neutral Matte Eyeshadow Palette. So, I do have a lot of palettes, so let's see how this one looks. I love how it's packaged. It's super cute. I love the little slip. And then it's like in this gold box. So, let's see if we can get her open without breaking a nail. All right. Was able to get her open without breaking a nail, right? No. Ooh, she pretty. She pretty. I might just keep her because she cute. And it comes with this little how to glamour guide for some beginners out there. But look how beautiful this case is. I'm trying not to have it shine too much, but look at that. She is so pretty. I love the detailing. It's like bubbled out and it's like a 3D effect. Oh my God, it's just so cute. This is like, so let's open her up and see how she looks. Ugh. It's just so beautiful. Look at that. Okay, I love this case. I like this one. So she does come. She smells good too for some reason. But yeah, she comes with the mirror, of course. But this is her. I thought I was going to have more shadows in there, but that's okay. It's definitely a neutral palette. But this is cute. So I'm definitely keeping this palette, okay? I'm definitely keeping this palette. And I don't know what that scent is, but there's a scent in here, y'all. It smells good. I don't know, but I know Too Faced be doing like the chocolate palettes and all that stuff, but it smells good. They have, Heaven is a light white. They got Nude Goals, which is a light pink. Lace Teddy. Well, I love these names. Au Natural, Cleavage, Less is More, Sexpert, Risky Biz, and Hookup. So let's do some swatching. I'm going to swatch Hookup, Risky Biz, Sexpert, and Cleavage. So, and they're all some nice brown shades. First one is Hookup. It's very, very cute. This next one is going to be Risky Business. Look at that. Very nice and dark and pigmented. This one is Sexpert. Ooh, look at that. That is nice too. I think I would use these two together for a nice little smoky, natural eye. And then if I was going out at night, add this on top. And last but not least, I'm going to swatch Cleavage. And there she goes. It's like a grayish taupey color. Super, super cute. It's like a taupey mauve. More of a, yeah, taupey, purpley gray. So, very, very cute. I do not know this thing smells delicious, y'all. It smells so good. But that is everything that I got in my Boxy Premium for the month of May. And I was not disappointed, you guys. I will list everything down below on how much everything is and the total value of this box for $35. But you cannot go bad. I got a Too Faced palette, the Sugar Rush Pony Lip Balm with Too Faced, a Skin & Co. Roma Eye Truffle Cream, Concentrated Eye Cream, and then this Centalla 90 Ampoule. So I was reading more on this, and it is a Korean product. It was made in Korea, so we're gonna try this out and see what it does. And I really do like this Kat Von D liner, and especially the color. I'm gonna do a really cute look with that. And this Milk Glimmer lip oil and blush is super, super cute. I might try it out as a blush, but I'm not entirely too sure because it is a oil, and I really don't want to put oils on my face, only on my lips. So we're gonna see, but I know this will be very, very cute. I really do like all the items that I got in my Boxy Premium. It was a really great box for this month. So thumbs up, not disappointed. Definitely will be getting this box again for next month, and hopefully we'll get some more great goodies. Comment down below what did you like out of this month's Boxycharm Premium box. And if you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.